What's up everybody, welcome back to a new video. It's a nice overcast day. We're out here on the A6000 with the Sigma 100-400 and we're gonna try and go around and take some pictures of birds and see what we can see. So I'm shooting at f8 with auto ISO between 100 and 3200. I find anything over 3200 super grainy, so I tend to stick with that. And I'm just using 1/320th. That seems to be fast enough for now. Oh, lost focus. There we go. It does seem a little quiet right now, but luckily we brought some seeds with us, so maybe that'll help bring the birds out.